Diamond Lake Campground park. Very fun. Took my breath away. Today I'm at Diamond Lake with my cousin, Becky. I'd like to come here every year, visit family, come play in the water, try to pick up trash.
You came to visit.
How's it going? You got your diving mask on, that's awesome. Is it kind of foggy?
Yeah.
I heard you've been watching my videos, huh? Yeah. Well,
Oh yeah.
that's good. Shady rays. Never heard of them. This place is pretty clean. Haven't found much in the water here. A lot of fish, bluegill, kind of nesting or bedding, whatever you want to call it. Kind of gonna go take a break and relax for a little while. Have some fun. Maybe go play on those things. Yeah. I'm diving too. Met some friends here that I grew up with. You guys having fun out here?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I know I'm kind of old for this, but I really want to go down the slide here.
I just found you on Facebook and I've been following you for like 2 weeks.
Oh, thanks for following me. Okay, I want to put these on, so when I get in the water, I'm gonna go over there afterwards. All right, here we go. Woo! I'm not going very fast. Here we go. Woohoo! Nobody's playing King of the Mountain or anything? Just chilling. It's pretty stirred up with everybody playing and stuff. There's a beer can down here. It's about 25-30 feet deep.
Can you get that for me, please?
I can get it for you. You're welcome.
Thank you.
There you go. Gets pretty cold down there, but it's nice. Oh, someone lost the mask. Look at that. All right, we're gonna check this out. Here, I got an idea. Now I won't lose them. I go up here, have some fun. Oh yeah. All right. This is really hard. I'm gonna slide down off this. Hope I don't lose my mask here. That was fun. I'm flying. Well, that concludes my cleanup here at Diamond Lake. I would go on that over there. Last time I was here, I went on there, I was playing. My back hurt for 3 days. Can't do that. That looks dangerous. Show me how to do it. Yikes.
Are you filming a YouTube video?
Yep. Ouch. I don't think I'm gonna look that graceful. Ouch. Not as graceful as I once was. That ain't good. Come around over here. All right, didn't fall any. Whoa. Whoa.
Yeah, this is kind of hard. There's a stair right here.
I don't need no stinking stair. There was a horsefly on my leg. Almost flopped. I gotta do that better. That was better. Can you do a backflip?
I can do it, but my parents right there and they said I can't do it.
Oh, so I'm setting a bad example?
No.
Whoa. Jump. Oh. And this is why I'm sore.
Are you okay?
Who, me? Yeah, I'm okay. I think I'm kind of big for it. Oh! You made it. Let's try this again. No good. Did not make it. Whoa!
You almost needed to make a video of you losing your GoPro.
I can't lose this thing. One more out. Oh. Too old for this. It's the party spot right here. Just missing the soda. Diamond Lake Campground. Park. Very fun. Took my breath away. We've got a really nice beach on this side, beach on this side. You can see the slides over there, trampoline, little iceberg mountain thing way over there. This whole thing right there wore me out. And all this space for fishing. A lot of campsites all around this whole campground. And there's actually a bunch more campsites back there. Oh. There we go. Getting too old for this. Can't get much bounce on here. Bounce it all over the place.
So my first attempt at the backflip, I held onto my mask so it wouldn't fly off. The second time, I forgot to hold onto my mask, and down in the water it went.
You almost needed to make a video of you losing your GoPro.
I can't lose this thing. With my mask. Always have a spare one.
At least you found it.
Yeah, it's a good thing.
I survived the day with minor back pain, but it was well worth it. Let's go.